All right, let me show you how to set up the Awesome ICO project. Once you open up your iTerm, all right, that's my iTerm. So let's do this very quickly. So we have two projects set up. One called Awesome ICOs, which is Vue.js front end. Remember, Awesome ICOs is the front end. Awesome ICO core is the back end. All right, let's set up Awesome ICOs front end first. So cd into Awesome ICOs. So that's a Git project, right? You do Git pull, make sure you pull the latest code. Okay. Okay, currently I think I have the latest code, right? It's all good. So I think my branch master is up to date. Now, once you check out this branch, master branch, first of all, you need to make sure your node is up, you install node. You do node -v, make sure you have the node version. I install latest node. It doesn't have to be the latest node to get it working, but I strongly recommend it to use the latest node, yeah? So 10.9.0. Okay, how you install Node? Just Google. It's a ton of information online to teach you how to install Node and npm on Mac. This is a Mac setup only. All right, once this is set up, Node and npm, then under this awesome ICO folder, you do npm install. So this will install all dependencies, right? That's how Node project working. All right, just wait a couple of minutes. You should install all dependency very quickly. Make sure there's no any errors. Then you do npm start. Then it's gonna take some time to build all the modules, all the stuff initially. Maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's all done, you will see the startup screen saying, okay, the app is up and running on localhost blah blah blah. Let's wait and see. Come on. See, okay, localhost 9090, right? Click here. You can see your front end is up and running. It's all good. All right, let's see how to set up the back end. Go to cd awesome ico.core. Sorry, ICO core. That's the code for the back end. It's very important. Yeah, awesome ico.core --core. So here it's the same pretty much, but one more step. You need to set up the MongoDB. Okay, here you do npm install. It will install all dependencies. All right, my kids are back, so it could be a little bit noisy. All right, see all the dependencies has been installed. Then you need to install MongoDB. How do you do that? I write a little tutorial somewhere here. Yeah, just follow this tutorial. So first of all, download the MongoDB from this link. That's for Mac OS 10 only. I strongly recommend you use Homebrew to install the MongoDB. Right? How to install Homebrew? Follow this link. It's very simple. Yeah, do a brew update, brew install. That's it. Once you install your MongoDB, you run this command: brew services start MongoDB to make sure your MongoDB is up and running. Yeah, once your MongoDB is up and running, I strongly recommend using this tool called Robo3T. Right, this tool is helping you to connect to the MongoDB. Download this version, right? Robo3T. Then once you download installed, you could see something like this, RoboMongo, right? Something like this. Then first of all, you need to create a connection, right? Create. You do localhost 27017. That's default port. You put localhost Mongo. Yeah, that's up to you. You do test. Make sure everything, all the connection is working. Once you've done that, I've already done that. You can see here, right? Saying to right click on this level, create a database, put awesome ICO in. The name has to be exact, right? Because in the code I use the same DB name, so have to be matched. I've already done that. You can see here, right? Awesome ICO as a DB database name. Then you open shell. Once you've done that, so copy this code snippet here, db.create user. So This step is helping you to create a user under this DB. Then we're gonna use this user to do all the insert, update, delete, all the stuff, right? So the DB user has the read and write permission, all the stuff. Make sure you done that. Once you done, copy this, run this little command by clicking this, choose all and click this. Yeah. Then if that's all that, it should be all good. So if you encounter any error regarding like macOS, then you have to install Apple Xcode or stuff. Just make sure you Google. Yeah, you probably need to install Xcode, right? This guy. You need to install Xcode command line and also the Xcode itself, right? You can go to App Store to install Xcode. It's a bit slow. You can install this, right? And you should install the Xcode command line tools as well. So once you've done all that, you do npm start. Then if you see this, there's no error or anything, means it's all up and running. You're good to go. All right, that's the setup. Thanks for watching.